everyone, we are from Group 1.
My name is Nesa.
My name is Maharani Pravina.
My name is Raffi Jalsutia.
My name is Gilang Saputra. My name is Muhammad Fitri.
Enjoy for watching.
Do you think I should add more examples to my presentation?
Yes, you should. It will make your explanation clear.
By the way, we must submit this by tomorrow, right?
Yes, we must. The exercise is the final deadline.
Okay then, I will finish my part tonight.